Okay. Can you hear me, Godwin?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now, yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much for joining me. So today I would like to have a presentation about the Microsoft team. I am a VCC CAD and BIM Technologies Department staff. So I really appreciate for joining me. I'm gonna share my screen. Do you see my screen here?
Yeah, I can see it now, yeah.
Okay, so this presentation is gonna be about exploring the power of the team. And this is a part of the assignment 3 by me, Farah Falayan, and then this is the instructor is a Dr. Glenn, as you know. So at the beginning, I would like to have a land acknowledgement. So we respectfully acknowledge that the Vancouver Community College is located on the traditional and unceded territories of the Musqueam and Squamish and Tesley-Wonot nations. So at the end of this presentation, you should be able to assess the exciting feature of the Microsoft team that enhance collaboration and motivate learners, and evaluate how team applies andragogy principles and the supporting evidence of the effective instruction. So the agenda will be as the following. We will go through the overview to the team, and then we will explore about excite, educate, engage, evaluate, and report card, and then best practice of application of team, and then EDI, I mean equity, diversity, and inclusiveness. And then we will have at the end conclusion and question and answer and the list of the reference. Let us start with the overview to the team. The team is collaboration platform for seamless communication and teamwork, and it's become introduced to industry in somewhere between 2016 and 17. So it does have an integrated suite of tools such as chat, video, messaging, file sharing, and collaboration on documents. It also designed to enhance productivity and streamline communication. Right now, over 250 million daily active users it does. It also centralized hub for team collaboration and integration with other Microsoft 365 apps such as Outlook, SharePoint, and OneDrive. It also customizable and adaptable to different team needs and work style. Available on multiple devices and robust security and compliance. Also suitable for a wide range of organizations from small to a large enterprises. But let's explore about the Excite. So its seamless collaboration promotes real-time collaboration and teamwork. So its interactive feature also improves the Excite for the user, engage learners through chat, video meeting, and document collaboration. Also, its accessibility, ensures inclusivity with closed captioning and screen reader compatibility. Also, gamification opportunities, another feature that provides Excite for the users, the learners. Also, we do have some testimonial for the Excite of the using of the team that says the team keep me engaged and connected with peers and instructors. About the educate. So team does have a self-directed learning availability and, tools for the learners. Teams empower learners to take ownership of their learning journey. Team also collaborative learning. So features such as document collaboration and those stuff. Personalized learning is another feature that provide educate. Team allows for individualized learning path and customization. Continuous learning is another option for the team that provide the educate. Team provide a platform for ongoing communication and knowledge sharing. And the testimonial says, team allows me to learn at my own pace and collaboration with my peers. And what about the engage? Real-time collaboration provides the engagement for the users. Interactive features such as live chat video is another way that engage learners. And discussion boards facilitates active participation and encourage learners to share ideas and insights. Also, virtual breakout room, another option that provides engagement. The testimonial says, it has transformed my learning experience by enabling real-time collaboration and interactive discussions. About the evaluator, same as the other similar software such as Zoom, it does have an opportunity for evaluating and assessment, something such as quizzes and survey. Also, it does have analytic and insight. It also does have a formative feedback. It's provide you to provide the feedback duration of the process for learners. And progress tracking also is another opportunity and option of the team. It's enable learner to track their own progress. And the testimonial says it has revolutionized that way I provide assessment and feedback to my student.
I'm sorry, I was going to ask, can I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead, please.
Yeah, so I was just wondering, why did you include the testimonials? Is that kind of requirement or something?
No,
Because
it's not a requirement. When we do some research, when we want to provide some idea, we need something to prove us, to prove our idea as the evidence. The testimonial is one way that I found that is useful to support my idea. This is why I use that one. It's optional. It's totally, maybe you can find there, research.
Yeah, it's
So maybe you can find something else, but a way I use is based on my, strategy.
Okay.
Okay, and then the grading. I provide this grade based on my experience and knowledge, and the criteria of this assessment come from my knowledge and the research that I have done. I do believe about the exile, the team provide enough and good exile for the learners because it does have a seamless collaboration features. It does have interactive tools, but still it does have some weaknesses, such as they may require additional support or guidance. Familiarity with the technologies, another thing that I do believe that could be counted as a weakness because you need to have a background of the technology to use that one. It's not really easy. And about the educate, I do believe that is a good, even more than good enough, because it does provide a resource and collaboration opportunities and customization for personalized learning. But still, it does have experience may vary depending on the individual technology proficiency. About the engage, I do believe that it's engage learners very well because it's provide a real-time collaboration and interaction and such a discussion opportunity as well. However, sustaining engagement in a large group, or varied participation. About the evaluate, it does have some option for assessment, survey, analytic, or formative evaluation, but its reliance on the instructor intervention and limitation in assessment customization. This is why I do believe that I gave a B for that. And moving forward, the best practice to use the team is having clear communication and organized channel. We need to provide, well-structured channel for different topics or project to keep discussion organized. We do also need to document share. We need to use a file sharing feature to centralize documents and ensure easy access for all members. Another thing that we need to consider is regular checking. From time to time, we have to do checking to make sure the learners are actively engaged. And about the EDI, I mean equity, diversity, and inclusive, I do believe the team does have enough EDI consideration.
Yeah.
Because it provides accessibility feature, such as, provide accessibility feature like a closed captioning, screen reader compatibility, and inclusive communication. It also provides language support.
Absolutely.
And it does inclusive collaboration also. It does have a customization option. I do believe because of these options, it's completely covered the EDI. And the conclusion, if you want to conclude our conversation and presentation, so we can conclude that the team is a powerful collaboration platform. It is excite and motivate learners. So it's applied principle of andragogy. It also engage learner through the real-time collaboration, interactive feature, and discussion boards, and also versatile and user-friendly interface. The reference that I use for this presentation are as the following, and the transcript will be available just after this presentation. I will share it in an appropriate Dropbox. And we will be available after this presentation. And this work is licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License. Thank you very much for your consideration and time. If you do have any question, I am very welcome to answer that.
All right. So first question I wanted to ask is about territorial acknowledgement, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I was of the opinion you acknowledged that VCC, you acknowledged that, right? But from where you are speaking from, right, where you are located, I think I thought, you're supposed to, kind of, for example, I don't know where you're speaking from, or which city, which school, or where you're. I thought you're supposed to acknowledge where you are located in right now.
Yes, that's right. This is because I am a member of the VCC.
I'm
a member of that college.
Oh, you're a faculty there, right?
Yeah, I'm a faculty member of the CAD and BIM technology. This is why I use the acknowledgement.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
I think
it's up to you. It's up to you. If you, from my point of view, I'm not sure, honestly, but it's up to you. If you're a member of any organization, you can use your organization land acknowledgement or a place you are located. For example, I'm living in Vancouver, British Columbia. So I can use the land acknowledgement in Vancouver, it's up to you.
Yeah, I would just look kind of, that is what I think it's totally fine, now that you said you work at VCC, right? So you are totally, that is right, to acknowledge that, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working on that.
Yeah. Now, in terms of talking about the 4 E's, right?
Yeah.
If you look at, I think there are overlapping. They are kind of overlapping, right? If you, for example, if you look at engage, right,
Yeah.
and if you look at educate, right, I think you're going to see that teams, it has overlapping, overlapping, kind of features, right, in each of them, right?
That's right.
Yeah, that is going to see within teams, right? If you use, because I do use teams, in teaching, right? So you're going to see that there are some features are overlapping between engagement as well as education, as well as even excitement as well, right? Yeah, for example, the chat box we use, right? Those are all
That's right.
yeah, form of engagement as well as exciting features, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look at collaborations as well, like your breakout rooms, your, for example, reactions that you get during class period. These are all kind of overlapping features you're going to see. Looking at the 4 E's, talking about excitement, education, as well as engagement, right? Yeah, so I think teams, in general, what I'm saying is, teams is really very great, right? Very good in course delivery, right? Whether synchronous or asynchronous, it's really very, very great, yeah, for these different features, right? Yeah, so I think that just something I just wanted to mention, yeah.
That's right. One another powerful tools and tools of the team that I found is integrated with the other Microsoft,
applications,
tools.
right?
Yeah, applications such as
Yeah, sure.
such a calendar, Google Calendar, such a those SharePoint, such a those stuff, such a PowerPoint, Word. You can easily link them. But in a Zoom, it doesn't have that option. This is the huge difference, I think. This is because mostly we use Microsoft, apps mostly.
Yeah.
This is another positive point of that iPhone. Yeah, that's right. You're right.
Yeah, very correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very very nice presentation. Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's kind of you. How is it going with you? Your
Yeah.
presentation?
My first one is going to be on Thursday.
Thursday. At what time?
It's going to be at 5:30, I think, yeah. On Thursday, 5:30, yeah.
5:30.
Yeah.
Okay, I do my best to join.
Yeah, okay.
To pay back to you, man. You did.
No worries, it's fine. I posted this since last week, right? I posted this last week, and I'm going to talk on Teams as well, right? Using Teams, basics, just introduction to Teams, something like that, right? Yeah, basic, stuff about Teams. Yeah.
Great. I'm gonna join you, and absolutely, it's gonna be helpful for me to develop my knowledge.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Any more questions?
No, I think that is all.
Okay.
Fine.
Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
You too, brother. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
take care.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.